welcome back to Let's Talk channel. Ancient India was a land of sages and seers as well as a land of scholars and scientists. India was an activity contribution to the field of science and technology. Centuries long before modern labors were set up. Here in this video we are going to see some contribution made by Indians to the world science and technology that will make us to feel proud. Let's move to the video. The idea of zero. India added zero to the max. Bhaskaracharya rightly calculated the time taken by the earth to orbit the sun. He also defined many astronomical qualities including the length of the side year, example, the time required for the earth to orbit the sun. Shampooing is an Indian concept. Shampoo was first made in India. The word shampoo is an English is driven from the Hindustani word chambo and dates back to 1762. A variety of herbs and their essence were used as shampoo since ancient times of India. India, the land which provides diamond. Indians discovered diamond and have been using it for 3000 years to 6000 years. Until a century ago, India was the sole resource of diamonds. Ayurveda origin from India, an ancient system of medicine which dates back to the Iron Ages of India and still is practiced today as an complementary and attractive medicine. India has the world's first and oldest university, Takshashila. As earlier as 700 BC, there exists a Giant University. It has 3000 lecture halls, laboratories, a library, and towering observation for astronomical research, and had 10,000 students and 200 professors. Weaving and cotton cultivation. Hundreds of years before the Christian era, cotton textiles were owned in India with matchless of silk, and they are as used spread as dresses in many countries. Yoga. Yoga originated in India, the most adopted fitness and healthy practice around the world, originated by India. Military rocket. In year 1780, the Mysore dynasty under the rule of Hyder Kali and his son Tipu Sultan made the first successful use of iron cast military rockets to fight against the British East India Company in the Battle of Guntur. The British were exposed to this technology after defeating the Mysore dynasty. Plastic surgery. Written by Shrustha in 6th century BC. Shrustha Shamhita is considered to be the one of the most complicated textbook on ancient surgery. The text mentions various illness, plans, preparation and cures along with complex of technology of plastic surgery. Eye surgery. The first contract eye surgery is said to be have performed in ancient Indian physicist Sushruta back in 6th century BC. Iron Pillar of Delhi. The world's first iron pillar was Pillar of Delhi at the times of Chandragupta II Vikramaditya. It has been called as testamented to the skill of ancient India blacksmiths because of its high resistance of corrosion. And a surprising thing is this iron pillar is not still rusted. Buttons. Ornamental buttons made from seashell were used in Indus Valley civilization for ornamental purpose by 2000 BC. That's all, guys. We all learned about some proud things of India, and I hope you enjoy the video. Like the video, comment, share, subscribe and click the bell icon near it to get more notification from Let's Talk channel. Thanks for watching.